Hi everybody, I hope everyone is doing well. Thank you so much for joining me and Wyatt. Can you say hi? Can you say hi to everybody? Tell everybody hi. Can you come say hi? Say hi. Yeah? Yes. Yes. Zena is not here right now. Hopefully she'll join us. Do you think she'll come up? She's being difficult today. She wants some alone time apparently. Wyatt must have upset her. What did you do, huh? So hopefully she'll join us at some point. We'll see. I am so excited. In one of my earlier videos, I mentioned that I did a Nordstrom shoe haul. So I bought several pairs of shoes in the store and I had triple points. One of the shoes had to be ordered because they didn't have my size. And then I did some more shopping online and got several more pair. So I'm going to share my haul with you. So they had their semi-annual sale. And I think all of the shoes I got were on sale except for one pair. And I got them because the color was really cool. So we'll see. At least it looked cool online. We're going to see here what we think once I actually try them on. So let's do it. So first up, I got some Born Booties. And the first pair is a pair of Rust Booties. These are called the Eton Rust, and this is distressed. They call them distressed. They have these little tassels here. These I did get online, so they sent them to me. You can see they're still nicely covered tassels here. Look how pretty these are. See if I can get this off. And let's see. How much were these? These were on sale for $111.90. I can't get this off. So I thought these would be nice and comfy. I have great luck with Born boots. So I wanted to give these a try. And I cannot get this off. So for the try on, I will get that off, that paper off. So they have a nice heel. These will be good for snow. Super cute. That's the first pair. So the second pair is the exact same boot, only these were in dark blue. This is the only pair that wasn't on sale. And they were $149.95, which was the original price. And I got them because I wanted to see the color. And they only had one pair left in my size. Oh, I got the paper off of the tassels for this one. So I hope you guys can see this color. The sun shining. It's a very pretty blue color. So we'll have to see if those fit into my wardrobe at full price. All right, and the last pair of Born boots are these. These are called the Born Aire in black suede. They have a nice heel as well. I like this. This is probably, what, 2 inches? They have this nice little notch on the outside. Can you guys see that? Very pretty suede. Nice zipper, and these were on sale for $99.90. Wyatt is looking in the boxes. Okay. Next, I got, this was a pair that they had to order for me. The rest were all I tried on in the store, okay? But this pair they did not have in the store and they had to order for me. And this is what held up this video while they sent it to me. And these were by Louise Etsy, who is, I believe, Vince Commuto's wife, right? So check these out. I love these. I love this chunky heel. So it's a nice heel. It's probably, what, 3 inches. the rounded, so like a pointed toe, but not too pointed. Has a little bit of the rounded tip here at the end. And of course, the animal print. So these were, I believe these were on sale. These were $99.95. And these are called the Jalzy Feroce Leopard Piccola Pony. That's a lot of words. I love these. I hope they fit. All right, next. All of these I got in the store, so I know they fit. This is by Sam Edelman. They're called the Walden Brown Suede. Little bit of a pointy toe. Nice heel. I'd say that's what, about an inch. And let me check my receipt. The Walden, these were $104. Yep, $104.99. All right. Next, these are by Blondo. So Blondo is known for their weatherproof shoes. These are really nice and comfy on the inside as well. They like feel soft and comfy on the inside. I love these when I tried them on. These are waterproof. You can see that tag here. So get this out of the way now. They have the zipper on the inside. Nice toe. These have a cute little notch as well. Can you see that there? I also say that's about, what, a 2-inch heel maybe? And these were on sale. These are called the Norma Blondo Black Nubuck. And the Norma boot, they were on sale for $129.90. All right, last pair. I have shoes everywhere now. The last pair is by BP. I think these were the cheapest of the bunch. And these are called, let's see what the name of these are. The BP Riley Leah Charcoal Suede. Check these out. Like the buckle detailing, zipper on the side, a little bit of a moto look here. And these were only $59.90. Called the BP Riley Buckle Boot. All right, let's try them on. Okay, so I have the first pair of Born boots and the rest on. I think maybe I will give you each a full outfit view, and then I'll try to do a close-up of the shoes as well and add those in. So Wyatt is in the way. You're not going to be able to see, buddy. You're not going to be able to see the shoes. He's such a goofball. You're such a goofball, aren't you? Aren't you? All right. So these are very, very comfortable. They're a little bit more casual than I was expecting them to look, but I could see me wearing these all day long. I'm just not sure. They're very, very wrinkled in the front, and they have that little flappy pocket, like flap in the front that's a little bit higher than in the back. So I'm not sure. I'm honestly not sure about them. Wyatt likes to be held like a baby, so this is something new you guys didn't know about him. He does like to be held like this. Look at him. Can you look at the camera? Can you look? Yes, he does like to be held like a baby. All right, let's try the next pair, but I will put in a close-up shot as well. Okay, same shoes, but darker color. This is the blue color, which is, it's almost like a blue-green, almost like a dark teal color. It's not really, I wouldn't call this blue. I would call this a dark teal. It's actually very pretty. I almost think I like this better in the blue color, of course, because it's more expensive. That would be me. Let me know if you guys like these or not. Okay. All right, so next up is the black Born bootie, and I really like these. These are a cute bootie with a nice heel. I think these would be cute to wear all day. Be nice with leggings or jeans. I like the little notch, open notch here on the side. I like the heel height, so it makes me not feel like they're flats, but I feel like I could wear them all day long. Okay. Okay, now I have on the camel with the dual zipper. And these have a bit of a pointier toe. You guys can see this. They have a nice heel as well. They have this little tassel zipper on the outside and a regular zipper. They do unzip on both sides, so both are functioning zippers. I love the richness of the camel color. And they are very comfy. So I do really like these. I did try these on in the store and decided to buy them. My only worry is that my toe ends about here. So I have a good inch past my toe. And I just hope that I do not trip on these because I'll forget that my toe, like the shoe is like an inch past my toe. Because can be that clumsy and I could trip over these. But I do like these. All right, what's next? Leopard. Okay, I love the leopard, which is not shocking. Check these out. These are so cute. I love this heel. It has a nice heel. It's not too thick, but it's thick enough that if you wear this out on the sidewalks, you won't scratch up your stiletto heel and you won't feel like you're going to twist your ankle. And it feels like you could probably wear them all day. So it's they have the little bit of a rounded toe, which doesn't feel like it's hurting your toes. So I think these are very cute. I like these. Yeah. What do you think, Wyatt? Wyatt's laying in front of me. Okay, next, 2 more. Okay, so now I have on the gray, little bit of moto looking boot here with all the buckles. These are super flat, very comfortable. I do like the buckle detail. It does look like you could loosen these up if you want to. I don't need to, but if they felt they were tight around your ankle, you could. Yep. Even though it has the zipper, so you don't have to do anything to take them on or off. Once you get them where you like, you just leave them. Very cute. I like these too. I like shoes like this because they can be casual or dressy, so they transition quite nicely. All right, one more pair. Okay, and last is the Blondo waterproof. And these feel wonderful on. They're very soft inside. They have a great heel. I like the rounded toe. They do have the tan heel as opposed to being all black, unlike the other pair. Very comfortable. So I like these too. I don't think I want to keep both black pairs, so I'll have to decide. Oh, all right. We'll do a wrap up. So what'd you think? For some reason, that try-on was more exhausting than my normal clothes try-on, which it shouldn't have been so at all, right? So I have to decide what to do. I don't want to keep both the rust and blue boots, right? I just want to keep one pair, and the rust ones are cheaper, but I'm kind of thinking I like the blue better. They were different. And I don't want to keep both black pair of boots because I don't need two pair. So I'm thinking maybe the waterproof Blondo ones. I'm not sure. So I have to decide what I'm going to keep here. What do you guys think? Do you have a favorite? Please share. Let me know what you thought of all of these shoes. What should I keep? What should I return? What do you think, What? Look at him. He's like ready for a nap. It's exhausting for him to watch me try on shoes, apparently. I will list all of these shoes down below. I'll even try to find the links for you. So in case you want to check them out on the Nordstrom site, you can do that. As I said, all of them were on sale, I believe, except for the blue Born shoes. And I'm not sure about the Louise Etsy, but I will check and put all of the information down below so you can easily check them out for yourself. So please, please, please comment below and let me know what you thought of this video and of these items. I always love to read your comments. I am a little bit behind on answering, but I do try to answer everyone's comments as soon as I can. Thank you so much for joining me and Wyatt today. Zena has not made an appearance, so we're guessing she's still in quiet time mode. Please, please, please hit that like button. We would love it if you would subscribe to our channel and join the fun. And if you've already subscribed, thank you so much for the support. We really, really appreciate it. Hope everyone has an awesome day. Till next time, bye.